Time check guys, it's Jeff time. So ayun guys, naka-receive nga tayo dyan ng order through WhatsApp mula sa ating regular customer na si Madam. Bali umorder si Madam ng sushi kani uramaki guys, may 20% discount guys. So ayun guys, pagtapos nga ma-prepare ng food ni Madam, di-deliver na natin sa location ni Madam. Bali malapit lang naman siya dito sa GFH Street Restaurant. So guys, for those who want to order, please message us at 05544300403 guys to confirm your orders and location guys, and para masend na rin po namin sa inyo yung exact location ng GFH Street Restaurant. So ayun guys, andyan na tayo, malapit na tayo sa location dyan ni Madam. Nakita na natin yung clock tower tsaka yung masjid guys, katabi lang ng GFH Street Restaurant yan guys. So guys, once again 20% discount for 30 AD purchase and up on all your favorite food combination at your GFH Street Restaurant. So ayun guys, bali nung naglalakad tayo dyan, nakita natin dyan si brother. Bali kaibigan ko dyan si brother, nagtatrabaho sa cafeteria dito sa may Rashadia 1 guys. So guys, we have Thailand food, Chinese food, Japanese food, Filipino food and Indian food, all halal with good quality guys, for your happiness and satisfaction. So guys, ang mga link ng delivery service namin nasa comment section na guys. Please click this one and automatically you will find your GFH Street Restaurant. So once again guys, thank you so much for your support. Have a great and blessed day everyone. Assalamualaikum. Peace out. Thank you guys. Thank you madam. Kamay madam. Thank you. Okay, thank you.